छोटो कार्यक्रम सुरु गर्नुहोस्।
Should review our food and locals. We honor such as Shanghai and Guangzhou. And these are delicious food served by new kitchens. The motivated teenagers. The overall satisfaction for this trip is 26%. Next, our personal care product. More information about our care product in the
are produced every day, and we go from this way.
Different color number?
Yes,
Oh, okay.
yes. Have this X-ray check. So we were the leading. We were the first one to use this. Normally, there are 4 operators working here for the information into every box for 770 protein powder. And what we're going to see is the capsules and tablets. One question. How many production lines? Also produce these production lines. So this is the capping machine.